Here's what we made our first month on Airbnb. Our listing went live on March 2nd this year, and we didn't really know what to expect in terms of when we would get our first booking, but within 24 hours, we had our first reservation. And then by the end of the first week, we had 13 bookings, and by the end of the first month that we were live, we had 30 total bookings from April to September. Our first guests arrived in April, which kicked off our hosting season. We ended up with 5 bookings last month. We would have had 6 bookings, but we also had a last minute cancellation. So we ended up with a total of 11 nights reserved. Our occupancy rate was 37%, and our gross earnings were $3,116. After a partial refund for that cancellation and our 3% host service fee, our total payout from Airbnb was $2,860. We had originally projected that we wouldn't get any reservations for April since the tourist season around this area doesn't generally start until May. So we plan to cover all of the expenses for this unit, including the mortgage, utilities, and the window payment, out of our personal budget. So excluding those expenses, our net income after cleaning fees and guest gifts for April was $2,037, which is much better than the zero we thought we were going to make that month. Overall, I think that was a really great first month on Airbnb.